So guys, nikiwaambia shida ni real manzi jo, hebu cheki hii plot walai. Cheki. Hii plot yote inaishi wasee walai. Sasa ambie yote ni mafi. Hii yote ni mafi walai. Hebu imagine. Hii hizi kuwa ni kama sewage. So niambieni hapa hivi wasee wanaishi aje walai. Hebu cheki kwa mlango ya mtu. Nasema aje? We. Cheki, hiyo ni plot ya msee manzijo. Na hapa kunaishi wasee. Watu wako na nini, hao wasee watu wako na watoto. And they are staying. Look at there. Na bado sijawashow wasee. Hebu kujeni tuende hivi. Kuja uone. We. Look at these. At this. Oh my God. Look here. So look at this. I don't know where I can pass actually, because you can see where I am and where I have to go is there. That's the place that I can pass. Oh my shit. Check hizo milango za wasee manzijo. Manzi wasee wanapitia life huku. Life ni mbaya manzijo. So I don't know if I can do this. Kai. My shoot will be on fire today. Okay, I'm wearing boots, so I'll walk here to there. Don't know if I'll sink or I will just walk. Let me walk. Oh shit, I'm feeling my shoe soaked shit, man. Imagine this, all you can see here. This is shit manze, hizi ni sewages. So this is not good guys, for real. Hivi tuko na watu wengi sana. You can see that woman there anatoa maji kwa nini, kwa nyumba akitupa. But sasa I don't know, even me I can walk here because oh my God. So let me pull my shoe. I have to pull it. So let me go like this. Oh shit. I'm walking on what? My God. About Jesus today, guys. I feel like I'm walking at the top of the water. So guys. Oh my God. So look at this guys. Oh shit. Okay, I came from there, as you can see. Let me zoom for you. I came from there, and imagine there's people that they stay here actually. Then I'm here. Nimesimama juu ya maji bwana. Mimi najihisi Yesu. So let me, my God. And you know what? It's wrong guy. So guys, this is wrong guy. And